I just filled my gasoline lighters with the ZIPPO foil, like this IMCO lighter. Which I like really much. But the main problem with this one is the gasoline gets evaporated really fast. But this one kept the foil inside the lighter really long time, like over 7 months. Now it's again refilled. And this one also kept the foil inside for months, but not like 7 months like this one. Maybe if this would have like a rubber seal here, it would prevent the gasoline to get evaporated. But this is a really nice gasoline lighter, small and compact. But then I remembered that I had this ZIPPO lighter, and I put the ZIPPO inside this plastic cover, and I haven't used this like I haven't opened this for over 7 months, or tried to light the lighter up. So this is really interesting to see. Does this ZIPPO have any gasoline left inside? Let's open it and try. Do we get that gasoline smell? Yeah, we do. So, over 7 months without using it or refilling it. Does this lighter light up? No, it won't. There's also this rubber seal at the bottom of this lighter, which you can buy as an accessory. No luck with this lighter. Really strange that it has that gasoline smell though. Well, let's fill this also as the other ones. At least this plastic cover did prevent the gasoline to get evaporated better than the original ZIPPO cover, that metallic cover. Well, it should be quite full now. take a while. Let's wait a moment. The gasoline to get soak into the cotton. And then let's try to light up this lighter. I really like this ZIPPO as a gasoline lighter, but yeah, the main problem with this is that gasoline gets evaporated really fast. I have used this rubber seal trick that you cover the ZIPPO with some sort of rubber seal like this, and this has kept the fuel inside the lighter really long time, but it's kind of pain in the ass to always remove this rubber before using the lighter. But it's one trick that definitely works. Yeah, let's put this ZIPPO back inside the plastic cover. Again, let's try. Yeah, now it lights up. And one problem with this is that you have to always be aware that this is plastic and you can't just put it over the flame because it melts, of course. But yeah, this cover did not keep the foil inside the lighter over 7 months like this one did. But I really like this cover, so